Welcome. If you want to make your Telegram channel easier to manage and keep conversations organized, giving your admins the ability to manage messages is a smart move. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to allow channel admins to manage messages on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and that you have the necessary permissions as the channel owner or a current admin with rights to edit admin roles. Next, head over to the channel where you want to update admin permissions. Tap on the channel name at the top of your screen. This will open the channel's profile page, where you can see details about your channel and access various settings. Now, look for the Edit button, usually shown as a pencil icon, and tap on it. This will take you into the channel's editing menu, where you can adjust everything from channel info to admin rights. In the editing menu, find and tap on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all current admins for your channel. Scroll through and tap on the admin whose permissions you want to update. You'll now see a list of available permissions for that admin. Look for the option labeled Manage Messages. Toggle this switch on to grant the selected admin the ability to edit or delete messages within the channel. This permission is especially useful for keeping your channel clean, removing spam, or correcting mistakes quickly. Once you've enabled Manage Messages, don't forget to save your changes. Usually, there's a checkmark or save button at the top right. Tap that to confirm. That's it. Your chosen admin now has the power to manage messages in your Telegram channel, making it easier to maintain a high-quality experience for your subscribers. If you ever need to adjust these permissions again, just repeat these steps. Delegating message management helps your channel stay organized and responsive, especially as your community grows. Thanks for tuning in, and happy channel managing.